Caroline, what are you doing?
I'm wiping the snow off my playhouse.
You getting the snow off your playhouse?
Uh-huh. Oh, it's locked.
Is it locked?
Uh-huh.
Can Lacey open the door for you?
No.
No.
Uh-uh.
Can you turn the handle straight up? Turn it hard. Other way. Other way. There you go. Okay. What's wrong?
It's not opening.
It's not opening?
You have to open it.
You want Daddy to help.
This snow is hard.
Okay.